Is your company planning to downsize in 2025? If so, you're facing a significant state unemployment tax liability or SUTA tax liability. Then this video is specifically for you. What we tell our clients is that when it comes to state unemployment taxes or SUTA taxes, the most expensive thing you can do is nothing. Our direct value to you and your firm is that we can save you up to tens of thousands or millions of dollars in SUTA taxes. Our service includes a no financial risk guarantee. What this means is if you don't save more than our fee, then we refund you the difference. That's fair. So you have no risk or downside, only upside. This is a done-for-you state unemployment tax savings service. We work hard for you and leverage our unique resources to move the needle by enabling some percentage of your displaced workers to successfully get a job that pays more than their current unemployment faster. The reduced unemployment paid out by the state means reduced SUTA tax liability for you per state. You win, your former employees win, and the state wins. Everyone wins. Whether you're downsizing by 5 or 5,000 employees, this video offers you and your firm a new way to save tens of thousands or millions with little effort on your or your team's part. Our value proposition is that we are a no-risk, effective, done-for-you SUTA tax savings service that brings measurable value to downsizing companies with a guarantee. We bring you value by reducing your tax costs by providing meaningful support to your former employees and safeguarding your brand's reputation. At SUTATaxSavings.com, we specialize in helping companies save money in SUTA costs in all 50 states. Our coordinated and actively managed approach accelerates reemployment for a percentage of your displaced workers, helping them secure jobs faster, thus reducing your tax liability. Important to you and them, we help your former employees focus on the jobs with the highest demand currently in the U.S. and offer higher pay than their current unemployment benefits. This far increases their chances of getting a job faster and reducing your tax costs. We legally and ethically save in state unemployment taxes or SUTA tax avoidance. Again, the point all the CFOs and HR directors like is our no net financial cost guarantee. The sooner we get started, the more you save. Let's identify some problems in the downsizing realm. Not actively managing these costs is doing nothing to save money. Here are 6 common problems we address. If you're facing tens of thousands or millions in SUTA taxes, you should try to manage the process, but how? Number 2, the scary weekly deadlines. Each week, the state pays out weekly unemployment checks to your former employees. Once they're paid, there's nothing anyone can do about that tax liability. Your costs are then baked in as sunk costs. We recommend some kind of action is taken before each weekly payment is made by the state unemployment office. But how? Downsizing is emotional and stressful for all. A question for all managers is how do you retain as much goodwill as possible, protect the brand, and save money all at the same time? Is there a company we can outsource to? Every state is different. How do we manage employees in different states? If your company's in the downsizing process and you don't have the extra staff to manage the process, plus HR and legal will not allow you to manage the process, what are the options? Protecting the brand. Downsizing is usually bad for public relations for the brand. What are your options to mitigate this risk to the brand? Before we talk about the solutions of the problems we just talked about, let's discuss why am I qualified to talk to you. I'm Mike Dunn. I was in major accounts and corporate sales and management for a Fortune 50 company for 24 years. I now own, and what I leverage to help you, SUTA Tax Savings. We help downsizing companies save money on unemployment taxes. I own game-changing business skills. We train displaced employees to transition to new roles and get promoted faster. I also am a managing partner in a low-cost but excellent call center company in an industrial part of Mexico. In the local area, we help Honda, Mazda, and Toyota with staffing. All 3 are part of my comprehensive solution to save downsizing companies money. Here are your solutions to the problems we can solve. Again, our value proposition is that we are a zero-risk, effective, done-for-you SUTA tax savings service that brings measurable value to downsizing companies with a guarantee. We move the needle in your favor by actively managing this process for you to keep you ahead of your state's weekly payments. We have our no net cost guarantee. We safeguard your brand's reputation. You can tell your employees in the media that you are paying extra for premium training to help your employees get a job in the most advertised job in the U.S. with job leads. They don't need to know you're saving thousands or millions. What makes us different? We are laser focused on saving your company money, not just finding jobs for your former employees. We do both at a higher level. I used to run a nonprofit, so we gladly work with your local nonprofits and community colleges. However, SUTA Tax Savings will be the organization saving you the most money in almost all cases because our focus is on your goals and outcomes. I'm sure they are all well-intentioned, but they are paid by grants which are focused on your former employees, but that does not help your firm. The problem is with the grant rules. Most grant rules are not concerned about your SUTA unemployment payment time frame. The nonprofits must follow the grant rules to get paid. We are different. We focus on both. Outboarding is easy. Outboard it and forget it. Partnering with us takes minutes and hours, not weeks and months. To get started, we'll sign NDAs, you'll place the order, then we onboard, then leave the rest to us. We manage everything from the kickoff meeting, providing the training links, the video course and certificate, the job leads, the current job availability ranking from 170 job titles, worst to first, to give your employees more confidence on making a decision, and Zoom calls. For example, our video training course to qualify them to get their certificate and job leads is only 2 days long, not 4 weeks. This is key, thus giving you a chance of more direct savings of 3 or 4 weeks in state payment avoidance. Downsizing is sensitive. Our solution is comprehensive. Your contract is with SUTA Tax Savings. However, Game Changing Business Skills is a branding name the media and your employees will know. The brand of Game Changing Business Skills is a better look for your company than SUTA Tax Savings, obviously. Mike Dunn, me, I own both companies, so it all fits together. In summary, our service is simple, effective, and backed by a no net cost refund guarantee. We reduce your costs by providing meaningful support to your former employees and safeguarding your brand's reputation. Next steps. The next steps are simple. Contact me so we can discuss your goals and objectives and outcomes so I can give you a quote. Then we onboard and have a kickoff meeting for your displaced employees. Contact Mike Dunn, Mike@SUTATaxSavings.com, or text at 704-408-8050 to get a quote.